In this video, we're going to be removing a rear left tail light on a 2008 Cl63 W216 model. So we have the trunk already open. Alright, so from inside we removed the center carpet, and these are already off, just put it back in place. It's going to be a T20 Torx. It's like this little cargo hook, so you have to remove this. Alright, so there's going to be a center piece right here. We already removed it, so I can't really record that. It's pretty easy, it's just clips. So once you remove that, you're just going to work your way through it. This thing splits up, as you can see right here. So whichever you take it out. You don't need to pull the carpet all the way out, but we're still removing it, so it's fine. It's gonna be in our way, so. Alright, so once you remove the carpet, you're gonna have to unplug this plug. You have to press on the sides, both sides, at the same time, and pull it. Okay, so you see how it is on both sides, you have to press on it. Alright, now you're gonna have 4 10mm screws for nuts. Just loosen it up, you could do it by hand after. Alright, so once you unscrew it, just gotta pop it out. So it just pops out. And it's a pretty similar process for the right side as well.